Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're looking at this spectacular 1969 Dodge Charger RT with a 440, 4-barrel, 4-speed manual gearbox, fully restored by legendary Motorcars in Canada. No expense spared. It is beyond immaculate. Let's do a cold start and take it for a ride. Ready? All right, so here we are in our 69 Dodge Charger RT 4-speed. We're going to give her a cold start here. Give it a pump on the throttle. Crank it over. Purrs right to life. A little high idle, which is great. Clock's working. Tach, oil pressure, charge indicator. Warm her up a little bit. Run it around a little bit, get some heat in everything. Before we unleash all 440 cubic inches of this bad boy. Great exhaust note. Rumble of the V8. Everything works really well. Even got a period correct AM 8-track radio.
Because our Lisa Brahma the most common.
Got a box of 8 tracks that comes with it as well. Starting to get a little temperature in her. It's got the great turn signals in the hood on each side, so you know when your turn signal is on, they will function. Turn signals cancel. Beautiful wheel. Again, fully restored by legendary Motorcars in Canada. No expense spared restoration. Before the restoration, Galen Govier did a full inspection report on the car. Everything was checked out to be original, correct, matching. It was a black plate California car before it was disassembled and fully restored. Top and bottom, the underneath, the engine compartment, the interior, everything is immaculate. I think of a 1969 Charger, I may not think what everybody else thinks, but one thing comes to mind, obviously a different color, but that legendary TV show. We're not going to slide across any hoods today though. We got a little temp in the car. We're going to take it through the gears, warm it up. Again, that great V8 rumble. Second, third. Just turned 30 miles since the complete restoration, and it runs perfectly. Again, all the gauges function, tach, clock, speedo, fuel, water temp, oil pressure, radio, blower. Brakes feel great, clutch, gearbox. No creaks or rattles at all. It's really a nice car. Very menacing in all black too, black on black. Brake straight as an arrow, drive straight. This is really the epitome of a fully restored muscle car. All right, take her up through the twisties a little bit. Steering feels really good. Responsive, no play. Great cruising car. All right, we're gonna come up here, we'll drop Jason off. We'll do a couple flybys. Top-notch restoration. Car runs and drives really well. Great V8 rumble. 4 barrels. Really gives it a great exhaust note as well. 4-speed. Clutch, gearbox, throttle. Just everything's really on point. And then the overall condition. Headliner, dash, carpeting, everything is like brand new. We're going to take her up to the main road here. We'll get her up to speed. Pulls well, feels good. Really, really great piece of Americana. Hopefully you like this video as much as I did doing it. Like and comment below, subscribe, and look out for our next videos.